We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 洪。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today I want to talk about something I read recently about a survey done in Singapore about what are some of the most undesirable, unpractical gifts one can receive. 今天想要来聊聊，就是在新加坡做的一个调查哦。这个平常我们最不喜欢、最不希望收到的礼物有哪些？所以 Alice， 你觉得你最不希望收到的、觉得最不实用的礼物是什么？
蠟燭，
蠟燭是什麼？
蠟燭。
哦，蠟燭啊 Are you serious? Oh wow, I just asked Alice right here what she thinks is the most unpractical gift she could ever receive. And she says candles. And guess what? This survey done in Singapore has that same answer.
一樣啊，
啊
剛才喺新加坡，
對對
唔係喺台灣人啊。
你可以移民到新加坡了。哎，可是很奇怪，蠟燭我就一直覺得很羅曼蒂克啊，
係啊，
romantic 啊。
佢係對你啊，對我嚟講，我某天時節將用得到啊。
哦，只有沒電的時候才會用，是不是？
將會想到蠟燭。
好沒情調哦，哎呀。
哎呦
Let's go on through the survey right here. In second place, 你知道第二名是什麼嗎？
乜嘅？
就是杯子啦、盤子。
哦，筆葉盤呢？
筆葉盤呢？
筆葉。
筆葉是咖啡。
杯子。
哦，以前教過嘛，咖啡加一筆。
哎，加一筆。
加一杯。筆葉啊，不是鼻子哦，是筆葉。杯 that's cups and plates.
盤呢？
盤呢 ？Okay, 筆葉盤呢 that's cups and plates. People in Singapore don't want that either. And then finally, at number 3, they say they don't like to receive dolls. 不喜歡洋娃娃呢。
人工嘅。
你講什麼人工嘅？
人工嘅。
係我講嘅啊。
人工嘅。
我講嘅，對啊。
洋娃娃啦。
哦，你講嘅，人工嘅。
人工嘅。
人工嘅是洋娃娃。我跟你講，你講我講嘅，對啊，我講嘅啊。
唔係啦，我講人工嘅。
人工嘅 that's doll. It sounds very funny. It sounds like that's what you said. But anyways, 人工嘅 that's doll. All right. So let's review those words again. Candles, 蠟燭。
蠟燭。
蠟燭。杯子。
筆葉。
筆葉 that's cups. Plates.
盤呢。
盤呢 and finally 人工嘅。
Yeah.
That's dull. Those are the few things that people don't want to receive. So next time if you're thinking about a gift, perhaps you should think twice. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太假？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.